We looked at several different ways to remove the debris out of the river, and the best way we came up with was to put barges in the water with trash dumpsters on the barge, and then we have another barge that has a track hoe on it. And with that, we're cutting the pieces up out of the river, putting them in the dumpsters, and then we've got a tugboat that brings them around, and we bring the pieces and put in out here, and then Cycle Systems comes and gets the dumpsters and takes them, and it's all the scrap of it goes back to Liberty. We're estimating about a total of 120,000 pounds, give or take a little bit. It's all steel. There's a few pieces of wood that is left in there from the surface of the bridge. It was all wooden, and those pieces are getting put in the scrap dumpsters also. We're not letting any of the material go down the river. Everything that we're getting is coming out. And it had a lot of debris against the bridge from trees and things that have been floating down the river, and we've also taken all those out the river. Well, initially the challenges were the water getting the barges over, and we actually got enough rain before we started where the water's been up. And some of the officials with the dam up the river, they're also working with us to, if we need extra water to bring the barges around, they'll give us more water from the dam up the river, and that'll bring the water up for us.
Liberty is doing this to be a good neighbor and to show all the locals that we are an environmentally responsible developer. It needs to come out. It's been there way too long. We had a lot of requests at a rezoning hearing we had a few months ago to take the bridge out of the river, and we went and took a look at it and decided that they were correct and are taking the appropriate action. This is not something that the university is required to do for a rezoning by the Corps of Engineers or anyone else. It's something we are doing just to be a good neighbor and show people that we are environmentally responsible.